The Cove at Trindle Spring is a private, beautiful community nestled between Woodbridge and Walden, very easily accessed to the Carlisle Pike. There are 20 home sites at the Cove at Trindle Spring. Many of them are actually tree-lined. It's your oasis within a really great centralized community here in Mechanicsburg. There are 15 different home plans that we offer at the Cove at Trindle Springs. They range in size from 2,700 square feet to 4,100 square feet. They are all very customizable, so you're able to pick and choose the options that make the most sense for yourself and for your family's lifestyle. The model that we're featuring at the Cove at Trindle Spring is going to be our Hawthorne Vintage. It's about 3,600 square foot home, has some outstanding features. One of them, of course, is our 2-story family room, which is a fan favorite. But my personal is the fact that we have this great option for a covered porch with a sitting room that's adjacent to the owner's suite that is absolutely outstanding. This home also has a gourmet kitchen with a double wall oven. It has a finished basement, and it also has our award-winning Serenity bath. We offer you options unlike anyone in the local market. If you're looking for a private setting in a convenient community accessible to everything you need, the Cove has everything you're looking for.